looking for, 'cause I don't know where to start. Do you know what life is going to be, or which way you wanna go? It's not easy being up and down. I want my curve going straight.